Hello everyone, happy Thursday. I am currently, well actually today is currently, why is this so dark? I wonder if that's just my phone or if this is dark. I'm gonna go with it's just my phone. Well anyway guys, today, wait, no, I have to check. Okay, yes, it was the brightness on my phone. Okay guys, well, today is actually Saturday, the 4th, so may the 4th be with you guys. I just got off of work, so I just had a shower, so if my face is super shiny, it's because I have rose water and glycerin on it. But I packed this morning, and I wanted to kind of show you guys some of the things that I am taking with me on our cruise this week, and I think I'm going to take you guys along tomorrow too to some of the places we go. I'm not sure yet, but it's going to be a pretty busy week because we're both working Monday and Tuesday, and then we leave for our cruise on Wednesday. So just be excited guys, because I've got some travel vlogs coming for you and a travel diary, and it should be a lot of fun. So anyway, let me show you guys what I've got packed. Okay, this is from Nala. She was just in the grass and it was wet, so I apologize. But these shoes are so cute and they are from Target. I'm so excited to wear these. The Bahamas hat I have shown you guys before, and it is from Goodwill, so I'm excited for that. And then I have this bathing suit, which I finally found one that fit from Amazon. It's really hard to find my bra size, so ladies, if you have a larger chest, check out Amazon, but make sure you read the size chart because I'm a pretty small girl and this is a 3X, and like if you look at it, it's really like not big at all, so just make sure you're reading the size charts. I have my sunglasses, so I have a couple pairs. I don't know what I did with the other ones. I'll find them, but I have these. I got them a few years ago, so I'm not sure exactly where they're from, but they're super cute. And then as far as reading materials go, I have my I Love Lucy magazine. I brought this one to Seattle, but I didn't end up reading it on the plane, so I'm excited to bring it again for some light reading. And then I don't know why I have 3 books. I think I'm actually going to put this one back because I definitely don't need 3. But my next book on my list is Lemon Meringue Pie Murder, so I'm going to be starting that. And then I have The Mermaid Chair because I wanted to read like kind of like a tropical book while I'm on the cruise. So I have these 2, which should definitely keep me company. Shoes for the zip line. Sorry, those are my underwear. And then I have a bunch of outfits, which I will kind of wait to show you guys for the vlogs, but I'm super excited. Oh, and my bra, sorry. And look how cute Nala is. So cute. But yeah, I'm super excited. This is a cruise with all Blake's family, so I'm not sure how much I will vlog because I don't know like who wants to be in the videos or not, so I don't know if his whole family will be in my vlogs, but I'll definitely be vlogging every single day, and I'm really excited. The last cruise I went on was in 2010, so it's been a long time, and I'm just really excited. And then actually in June we're going on a cruise with my family, so it's gonna be fun. A few weeks, or not a few weeks, but a couple trips this summer to the Bahamas and on a cruise, so it's gonna be super fun. And that'll probably be it, honestly, until August, till Blake's birthday, if we do end up doing a trip for his birthday. And if we don't, it probably won't be till October when we're going to Orlando. So anyway guys, I hope that you're enjoying this vlog, and I will see you soon. Cups, brownie sundae. We're here at the Frosty Caboose. Super cute. Nala, it's a train coming. It's a train. I think she's confused where the bells are coming from. She's so confused. You can't go that way. Alrighty, we are at the Rosewell Mill. Never been here before, but there's some waterfalls, and we brought Nala. Oh, and there's other dogs that she's spotting. Yeah.
This is Monai.
Oh, this is Nala.
Hi, Nala. Is she a puppy too?
Wow. Waterfalls, Nala. Yeah, come on. She's so terrified. She's so terrified to come down by the water.
Yeah, they move your feet. Well, they're kind of...
Come on. scared of those stairs. Here's your daily dose of ASMR. Finally got an outlet to come down the stairs, so now we're close by the water. Oh, there's firemen coming.
It's a beautiful pathway here as she yanks you down it.
She's gonna sleep good.
We made it to the grand finale waterfall. It's so tall. We don't have these back in Florida. So calm until it literally drops straight down to the waterfall. We're here, the red phone booth. So cool. So cool. Okay, here's the cool menu. Oh, I guess it's not the menu, it's the story. So this looks cool. Very excited. We got the bruschetta, a glass of the Crossing Sauvignon Blanc. My mom got meatballs. Blake got caprese and calamari. My stepdad got a margarita pizza. Yummy. This place was so cool. We are definitely coming back and we'll do a more extensive vlog. But it's like a speakeasy, so you dial the number in the phone booth door, which is that black door right there, and then we are gonna exit through the glass door. But it's so cool. It's very, very small, but it's nice. And there's a little fireplace over there. So guys, little apartment update. I got this rug from a consignment store today, and it has, where is it? There's a little piece on it that is like kind of messed up. It's right here. You can't see it, it's so dark, but it's just a little white line, and it's literally hidden under our coffee table, so you can't even tell. But because of that little white line at the consignment store, this rug was only $26, guys. 26 freaking dollars. So the apartment is coming together nicely. Really, the last thing we need is just like a nice picture for above the couch. And then eventually I want to get some bookshelves on either side to put some books. But it's looking so good. I'm so happy. And only 26 freaking dollars. That's amazing.